Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and this is my 2004 Honda Accord. And after my car was sitting for a while, battery died, and when I finally got a new battery and turned my car back on, I turned it on. I'll show you here. Just turn the accessories on. Everything comes on except for the radio and my head unit. And so even when I turn the vehicle on completely, neither one of these come on. All of this still works, except for, of course, the radio power. Heater controls, everything down here works. Temperature controls work, but nothing up here works, and nothing down here works. So it could be a short in the wiring, or it could be a bad fuse. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and check the fuses. And to check the fuse for the battery, you go down here to this little panel and just pull that straight out. Here's our panel here, and we can see which one is our radio. Number 5, 10 amp fuse. Let's check on our panel here. So that would be number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the one that's lit up. So we'll go ahead and replace that 10 amp fuse and see if our radio works. So here are some 10 amp fuses. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase these if you need them. So if you have issues getting your fuse out, actually just come up here under your engine bay, take off your fuse box cover, and Honda gives you a fuse puller. So you don't actually need to buy one. Don't waste your money. Honda already gave you one. So we can just bring this fuse puller into here and use it to get this fuse. You can see that this fuse is in fact broken. You may not be able to see it, but right there, right in the middle, that little connection right in the very middle is broken. So this one, you can see the connection is still good. So we'll put this fuse in the 5th spot there. And you can already hear my radio working. And then we'll go ahead and slide this panel back on. Put our fuse puller back in the engine bay. And then we can go ahead and start it up and see if it works. There you go. Radio's on. And the head unit is powering up. So that's an easy way to check and see why your radio is not coming on. It could be a short from bad wiring, or it could be a bad fuse, and in this case it was a bad fuse. So that was a very cheap and simple fix, and now we have everything working again. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.